What is up, gals and pals? Or should I say old gals and old pals? And if you're wondering why, that's because today we are making a classic cocktail called the Old Pal and its newer riff cousin, the Old Gal. So make sure you stick around because we're gonna boogie down. The Old Pal was first introduced to us in the 1920s by the great Harry MacElhone at his New York bar. Considered to be a cousin of the Boulevardier, the swapping of sweet vermouth for dry vermouth leads to a lighter, zippier profile. The story goes that MacElhone named the cocktail for William Sparrow Robinson, the sports editor for the New York Herald in Paris. The Old Gal, a riff on the Old Pal, was created by modern-day legend Phil Ward at the Long Island Bar in Brooklyn, New York. He switched out the dry vermouth for Bianco Vermouth, which mellows out the cocktail with its sweeter notes. All right, folks, so now that you guys know a little history about the Old Pal and the Old Gal, we're gonna go ahead and look at what is in the sauce, all right? Now, the beauty about these cocktails is that they are all 3 ingredients and equal parts, all right? So as you heard in the little voice over there, one uses dry vermouth, and that's the Old Pal, and then the Old Gal uses Bianco Vermouth, which is a sweeter style of vermouth, all right? So let's go ahead and look at what's in the sauce for the Old Pal, all right? We're gonna be using 1 ounce of rye, okay? Now you can use bourbon as well, but you're just gonna wanna use, yourself some whiskey there, right? So we're gonna do 1 ounce of rye, all right? And next we're gonna do one of my favorite spirits, Campari, okay? Now we're gonna do 1 ounce of Campari. Now I really love the Boulevardier, and I also love the Negroni. So this is a cocktail that's right up that alley, so it's gonna be quite delish, all right? And next we're gonna do 1 ounce of dry vermouth, all right? I'm gonna be using Dolan for that, but you can use whatever you got. All right, beautiful. And then we're gonna go ahead and just add some ice to our mixing glass. Right. And stir that bad boy up for about 25 to 30 seconds. All right, folks, I think we stirred that bad boy up enough. That's quite delish. So let's go ahead and get our glass out. I'm gonna be serving this into a coupe, which I've had chilling like a villain. Let's get my strainer out, and we're gonna go ahead and just pour this bad boy in. All right, beautiful. Then you get a beautiful, nice hue there. Very nice. All right, and then just to garnish that, we're gonna use a little bit of a lemon twist, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and peel myself a little lemon here. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna express them oils onto the glass, and then I'm gonna wipe it for good luck. And then we'll just clean it up and do a little bit of twist. Like the Chubby Checker says, let's do the twist, all right? All right, here you go. My peel's a little messed up, so it ain't gonna be the prettiest twist, but there you go, folks. The Old Pal cocktail. All right, so I'm gonna put the Old Pal to the side, and we're gonna try both cocktails out at the end of the video, right? So like I said, it's the Old Pal is really the same cocktail, except we're switching out the vermouth. So let's go ahead and look at what is in the sauce. We'll bang this out real nice and quick, all right? So we're gonna do 1 ounce of our rye whiskey once again. All right, I'm gonna be using Rittenhouse per usual because Vino loves his Rittenhouse. All right, then we're gonna do 1 ounce of Campari. All righty. There's nothing like Campari, nothing like it. One of a kind, folks, one of a kind. And then 1 ounce of our Bianco Vermouth, all right? Here we go. Now again, this is like a sweeter style of dry vermouth, a little bit sweeter, all right? And then we're gonna add our ice. And stir that bad boy up for, 25 to 30 seconds. All right, folks, I think we stirred that bad boy up enough. Yum dilly dum, it tastes great already, all right? So let's go ahead and get our glass out. I'm gonna serve that in a Nick and Nora, which I've had here chilling like a villain. And let's go ahead and pour it in. All right. Very nice. And then we're gonna do once again a lemon peel, a lemon twist. All right, let's go ahead and peel ourselves a lemon. I don't know, the skin on this lemon is very brittle. It's breaking very easy. There you go. It's a fresh lemon too. Very, very disappointing. All right, so let's go ahead and clean this up once more, and then try to do a lemon twist without breaking the skin like we did last time. All right, so let's go ahead and give it a twist. It is very, very delicate, the skin. But there we go. We got our cocktail though, right, folks? The Old Gal. All right, so let's go ahead and give both of these bad boys, or should I say a bad boy and a bad gal, a sippy sip, right? Let's start with the original, the classic Old Pal. Cheers. Oh, that's great. That's delicious. You know, it's, you know, as they describe the cocktail as kind of a little more of a vibrant, a lighter, zippier Boulevardier, that's actually not incorrect, because the sweet vermouth is obviously a richer spirit, and the dry vermouth actually adds a little more brightness to the cocktail. So that's really, really delicious. A much lighter, probably more approachable version of the Boulevardier. Okay, so let's go ahead and try the Old Gal now. Cheers. Oh yeah, that really is even a more mellower version of the Boulevardier. It's even got more of a Negroni tone going with it. It's interesting. Very delicious and very delicious. A little brighter, a little sharper. This one is much mellower and definitely sweeter, but both of these are delicious cocktails. If you're into the classic old style cocktails, you're gonna dig this. If you like Negronis and Boulevardier, you're gonna dig this. If you like Campari, you are gonna dig this, right? So in other words, you are gonna dig this. All right, folks, so give this a try. I think you guys will like it. In the comments, if you've had these or if you tried them after watching the video, let me know which version you like better, all right, folks? So if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.